getting ready to leave this campground. It was a warm night's sleep, even though it was only 38 degrees, 38 or 33 degrees last night here. And I've set my alarm clock at 5:30 a.m. But right before that, we were waking up by the thunderstorm, the thunder. Okay, it's supposed to be snowing here. I don't know what happened. There's no snow, it's just a little bit sprinkling, but it is cold right now. Yeah, I'm a t-shirt, so I'm gonna run in real quick. But yeah, getting ready, heading toward what's the town called? Oh my god, I can't say that. Pueblo, 3 hours. Pueblo Colorado. Okay, pardon me. Wow, look at this. Got dark cloud hanging over us. A good rain. We just passed Gunnison, city of Gunnison, and there's some good rain right here. 150 still. Ooh, this guy's towing is passing us. I'm going 65 in the rain, curved road. This guy is towing a boat with a big trailer and is passing us like nothing. Alright, he's telling me that I'm driving slow. And the speed limit is 55. That's funny. Alright everybody, after the rain, we're in a higher elevation. We ran into snow. It's snowing right now out there. 28 degrees at the moment. It is pretty. Alright, the good news is we are descending. We're going downhill and getting lighter now. It was kind of a little bit worried when it was like gusty wind and a little bit of heavy snow, but we're good now. Yeah, it's very cool. We're getting some snow to fill up the ice chest, because guess what, we're planning on going fishing and we're gonna put fish in the snow. Well, you know what? The rain followed us all the way. We are 2 hours away from Pueblo, Colorado. This is the city of Hasty. Yes, Hasty. We are at John Martin Reservoir. We're by the dam, John Martin Reservoir. We're gonna try to do some fishing, but the weather right now is not ideal for fishing. It's on the cold side, a little bit wind and sprinkle. We met with a friend here who's been fishing here, and today not a nice weather for fishing, but we all met up here, and then check that out, cooking again. So hopefully the weather gets better a little bit, and then we're gonna go do some fishing. Oh, look who's that? Who's over there? All right, see you in a bit. Wow, this is how you do with this noodle. Gonna go. Damn the wind. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit first. And do we do this first or that go?
Your choice.
My choice. Some sprouts. And that. Yeah. I think these will last, but anyway. And then we do beef stew.
Hello.
There you go. That's my beef stew noodle. In the cold air like this, this is perfect. All right, fishing was fun. We caught some fish. I caught 2, and friend caught a whole bunch of fish. Now we're gonna go to their land and camp out over there in the land, and we do some fish cooking over there. All right, let's go. Check out the size of this land, you guys. So he insists that we come to his house. We were gonna camp over at the lake yesterday, but he said nope, come over here because he got place for us to park, and we're gonna cook and have dinner at his house. So look at this drive-through and all the land over there, and the wild animal on the land, deer and stuff. This is so nice.
No.
Turn around. Sure.
Because my okay.
Anh đến cả cô ni chăng á, đài lên rồi.
That's why you want to come by and use it.
Big fish.
So
That's why they chili from mommy, huh?
maybe like 10,000 white Samuel, your mouth. Yeah.
Our breakfast:
My cost, right?
scrambled egg donut and ham and egg croissant this morning. Oh yes. Alright, you can see how beautiful it is up here. This we're overlooking at the Pueblo Reservoir. Blue skies white clouds, blue water, blue and turquoise water color.